All right, now in making the wine, there's several containers that are needed to make the wine in. Here I'm using a food-grade recycled plastic bucket, which probably pickles or, dill pickles came in. You can also use these stainless steel pots that you might have in your house, depending on what the volume is that you're doing. Another container, and these containers are good for the digestive stage. This pot here I'm going to be using to filter the stage where it was digesting and separate the fruit from the wine juice. And then, of course, the final container, well, not the final, but the next to last, would be the glass jug that I like to do to let the wine work in, which would be these here. And also, then the final would be you have to start collecting wine bottles, which you can get at recycle centers, talk to your friends, have them start saving your wine bottles. And basically, these are the containers that you'll need in the wine making process.